Attention wealth step-by-step members, in this video you're going to want to do this immediately. You want to do it today. I'm going to share some information with you in this video that you're going to want to do ASAP. You want to do it today, immediately, when I get done with this video. I'm going to roll the intro and then I'm going to get into what you need to do immediately today. Welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about wealth step by step and the sense of urgency. I've got some urgent information and some very important information that we want to share with you that is just getting started at the beginning of a movement. We're going to talk about some income examples of what we feel that you can make in this program. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. Folks, consider hitting the like button, hit the like button, and tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Great things are happening, and I tell you, people are building wealth all over the place. I wanted to do this video with a sense of urgency, and I wanted to get up to you, this information to you now with a sense of urgency of what you want to do today. It's just that important. We're at the beginning of a movement that Jose Green feels that thousands of people could potentially come into this business. He wanted us to get the word out about this phenomenal system that we've got our hands on and the urgency of now, because we're at the beginning of a movement to, I believe, thousands of people will come into this business. Folks, again, the way we do it, we're going to build big ticket on the front side, residual passive income on the back side. And I'm talking about a load of it. We've got a 3x7 force matrix that is incredible. And we're going to tell you what you need to do today. We're going to go through a quick presentation. Our team leader, Greg Bethea, has done an outstanding job, and we're just going to review this email, and this email contains everything I need to say in this video. Greg sent this out on October the 17th, just 2 days ago, hot off the press. And if you're seeing this video 3-4 months down the road, this thing's still going to be red hot. And we believe that thousands upon thousands of people are going to come into this matrix. And it's a force matrix. When you understand a force matrix, 3 people on your first level, and then you got 9 on the second, 3 on the third level, you got 27 people. It's a force matrix. So when the team leader fills up their matrix, they are forcing people down in the matrix. And folks, the chance for spillover is absolutely possible. Of course, we can't guarantee it, but it's absolutely possible at the beginning of a movement. So you're going to be getting help from your upline and people. Everybody that is up under you in the matrix is a duplication of you. When you allow your mind to wrap your mind around that, it becomes a sense of awesomeness, a sense of that I've got to have a sense of urgency and getting in place, getting your position high up in the matrix before the massive even know about it. We've got a duplicatable marketing system. I am doubling down on what we have our hands on. 110% marketing system. People will be ordering thousands of our flyers and postcards. Our postcards is really what we want you to order. We're going to tell you why. Greg sent this email out. It says, good evening, step-by-step members. This email is really for new members that have joined the past few days to bring you up to date. Man, this thing is exploding, and you guys are doing an awesome job. Greg says, man, I'm so excited about this business opportunity. Our business is growing every single week by the day. Some of our leaders are logging into their back office, and they're seeing movement. They're seeing people join the organization each and every day. Folks are starting to see how simple and life-changing that this monthly income system can bring. We have now made it even easier through our new direct mail postcard marketing system. Before I get ahead of myself, Greg is going to give us updates. When you get a chance, it's just Senator Tommy Tuller talking about that people are experiencing record job losses, record fuel prices, food prices, basic needs. In other words, the cost of living is going through the roof. Now is the time to start building a second stream of income and achieving financial freedom. It can be yours for the taking. When you get a chance, Dorian has put a video here, and when you get on I'm going to show you the website to go to, yourplantowealth.com. Let me go to it. This is our team website. When you go here and hit submit, you will begin to get emails just like this from Greg, keeping you updated updated as to what we need to be doing and how we need to have a sense of urgency in doing it. And anybody can do the presentation, folks. You can even duplicate it to you. So you can get the presentation documents. Like I said, get on the email list and you can get that. See me and I can forward you this email. This is a worldwide business opportunity, Whelp Step by Step, created by Adam Walker in 2021. And in your back office, you'll get an option on how you want to be paid. You're going to be Cash App, Zelle, or Bitcoin Cash. We believe they're going to dismiss WADs for the moment, but we're going to do Cash App, Zelle, and Bitcoin Cash. And folks, we have a direct mail marketing system. We have a sales letter and we have postcards. We're excited about both of them, but what we are stressing is if you don't do anything else, get that postcard. The postcard is absolutely life-changing. We've got a video that duplicates, that shows what's possible with the postcard marketing system. Look at this, folks. When you get a chance, pause the video, dial this number, get excited. Do it today. You want to order your postcards today. Continue to listen to this video, and I'm going to tell you why. The urgency is of now. Here's the force matrix, 7 levels deep. 3 on your first level, 9 on your second, 27 on your third, 81 on your fourth level. Your fifth level, you're going to have 243 people. On your sixth level, 729. You're going to max out at 2187. And giving you a total of right at $10,000 plus per month. And what some are predicting is that we're going to fill this matrix in less than a year's time. Folks, get in now for $28 per month. And you're going to get everybody that you bring in, that you recruit, you're going to get a $25 fast start bonus paid directly to you. Folks, this is exciting. Our product is going to be the email marketing system. And, of course, the video will tell you more about that. When you listen to this info call, it gives you a lot of detailed information about how this thing works. You'll be able to hear what's going on. You can go ahead and you can order your sales letter. You can go over to yourplantowhelp.com and you can download and edit this sales letter. Once you edit it, you can save it to your desktop, mail it into Greg. You can put your name, where to mail it to, your email address if you want to fly, your return address, all that good stuff. Here it is, folks. Here's the flyer. You'll be able to download this flyer. You can be able to come over here and type your name in. You can type your phone number in and your information, save it to your desktop, and then you can email it to your favorite printer, whoever you want to do the print and mail for you. Folks, this is exciting times ahead. Let's go back over here to the news update. All right, this is what I really wanted to get to. The sales letter is powerful, but guys, I'm telling you what, and gals, we've got a even more powerful direct mail postcard. It's a 6x9 postcard, and look at the postcard. Let me look at that. It got step 1 and step 2. It says only $28 to get started. Find out how easily you can earn $3,000 to $5,000 plus or more from home, and follow the steps below. When people get your postcard, they're going to go to step 1. They're going to watch the 5-minute video presentation. And then they're going to go to step 2 and they're going to join as a team member. Folks, people are getting so excited. They're ordering 3,000 postcards off the rip. I ordered 3,000 postcards. Today, I encourage you, I urge you, today, whenever you're seeing this video, whether you're seeing it 2 weeks or 2 months from now, I urge you today to have a sense of urgency and order your postcards, the urgency of now, and get in the top part of this matrix, especially those who already joined with me. Guys, get your postcards. Gals, get your postcards. Get your website on there, and let's get after it. Here's the other side of the postcard. Here's your chance to build a 4 to 5 figure per month income from home, and it's a worldwide business opportunity. This postcard will do all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. This postcard will sign up people for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I digress. This is something powerful that we got our hands on. And let me show you. When you go over to yourplantowhelp.com, this is what's going to be on everybody's postcard. They can come up here and they can download and edit the flyer. And then after they become a member, after they watch this incredible video, and they become a member, they can order their postcards. When they click on the postcard order form, it's going to take them to a stream that looks like this. For a limited time, you can order 1,000 postcards for $140. This is a giant postcard, a 6x9, big as in the post office. Folks, we're getting ready to roll. I ordered 3,000 the other day. I can't wait. They're going to be dropped on my front porch by UPS. Folks, can you order a postcard? If you said yes, I am telling you what, folks, let's go. This is what I call an urgent moment, the power of now. We even got team members that's getting ready to do lives for hours, signing people up under people. I'm telling you what, we've got an opportunity of a lifetime here with Whelp Step by Step. If you put in the action steps to get it done, you can order 3,000 postcards for $250. You can get 1,000 for $140. Better value in ordering 3,000. A lot of people are ordering 3,000. I'm sure some team members are going to order 5,000 postcards. You can put your information in here, folks. You can save it to your desktop and then mail it back to our team leader, Greg, and he'll get you hooked up with this postcard. Folks, this is incredible times a rolling. Again, the postcard that I am talking about, this postcard, is going to lead your people to this website. And this website's they're going to see the video. Then they're going to come click here, and they're going to go over here and order the postcard. Folks, it's just that simple. It is 100% turnkey duplicatable. Let me nail that down. Let me double down, triple down on that. Okay, let me slow down. Sometimes I get too hyped on these videos. But it is 100% duplicatable. That's why I say have a sense of urgency. Do it today. Order your postcards right now. Right now. If you join with me, if you're on my team, guys, let's roll. Get these postcards ordered. And your financial freedom, you treat this thing like a business. Get it rolling. And we're going to see income unlike we've ever seen in our lives. Folks, I tell you, the sky is the limit as to what we can do with this Whelp step-by-step marketing, duplicatable marketing system that we've got our hands on. When you get a chance, folks, I want you to watch this video. Let me finish on Greg's email. How simple it works. It says it's the easiest way to build your Whelp step-by-step business. Just mail our new 6x9 postcard to your prospects. This is how simple it works. When you mail the postcard, prospects will visit our team website at yourplanofwhelp.com. They will watch the 5-minute video presentation explaining in detail how Whelp step-by-step works. And they will hear how much they could potentially make each month. When your prospects are ready to join the business, they will join from your website that's located on your postcard. It's just that simple. Folks, we're going to, maybe watch the presentation at another time. But for a limited time, you can get 1,000 6x9 postcards for $140. And you can get the flyers, folks. And I'm going to show you how simple that is in the next email that's coming through. Look at the people signing up, folks. Potentially $10,000 plus per month in 7 months. Worst case scenario. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that if everybody that you bought in utilize our postcard system and just maybe recruited 3 people out of 1,000 postcards? I'm thinking that 1,000 postcards you're going to pick up probably, I was telling Jose, 6 to 8 members per 1,000. That's on the low end, or 5 to 8 is what my goal is. 5 to 8 members. On the absolute disasters of an end, you're looking 4 to 8 members per 1,000 postcards. It's possible. Here it is, folks. Month 1, if you personally enroll 3 members. Month 2, those members enroll 3 members is 9. Month 3, those members personally enroll 3 members, 27. Month 4, those members personally enroll 3 members, you're looking at 81. Month 5, those 81 members personally enroll 3 members, you at 243. Month 6, those 243 members personally enroll 3 members, you're at 729. Month 7, those 729 members personally enroll 3 members, you're at 2187. A completely full matrix pays out $9,873. Folks, can you get involved? Can you do it? Can you mail a postcard with this matrix? Folks, we have a Facebook community with over 1,800 members and growing daily. Get involved. Here is www.Whelp Step by Step Facebook group. Moderator Susan Cook. You can tell them Timothy Thomas sent me. You have to be a member, folks, in order to join. and I'll let you in. We'll let you in. She'll let you in. She'll just check with us and make sure we'll get you approved. Folks, this is exciting times ahead, and step-by-step business opportunity is starting to explode. We have set up the whole turnkey, completely done for you, seamless, step-by-step marketing postcard system that you can build a seriously monthly income from home. And all you have to do is mail a postcard and introduce it to others. Folks, if you enjoyed this video, welcome to wealth. Welcome to the journey now. Enjoy this journey. We are getting ready to go for the ride of our lives. So we're going to invite you to come alongside of us with this postcard marketing system for wealth step by step. Folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Bye for now. Until the next wealth step by step video, order your postcards today.